Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Sony MDR-AS210AP Stereo Headphones. There's a display window over here. You can see what this particular stereo headphone looks like. It comes with ear hoops, and this is basically an in-ear earphone. It comes with +1 splash-proof ratings, hands-free phone calls, movable loop hanger, tangle-free serrated cable. Do you have any more information? It comes with a L-shaped gold-plated 3.5mm aux cable, approximately 1.2 meter long cable, and also a cable management clip. Alright, do we have any more information? Mostly manufacturer information. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. First up, we have some operating instructions for this particular stereo headphones. It comes with, basically this particular document lists all the specifications, all the compatible products, and some do's and don'ts, safety precautions, etc. Everything is listed here. You should read this very carefully. This is a cable management clip from Sony. There you can see, cable management clip. And this is the stereo headphone in question. This is the MDR-AS210AP. These are basically in-ear design earphones. There you can see in-ear design earphones that comes with really flexible ear hoops. The idea is that these hoops will go around the ear. I don't know if you can see this. The idea is that the hoops will go around the ear. These hoops are made out of silicone. They are very flexible, and this particular earphone has a gray color tone to it. And let's quickly take a look what other things there. Okay, notice the Sony logo right over here. There is an inline remote over here. There has only one button and a mic at the back. So the idea is that this is the button that you use to play music, pause music, or even receive and end calls when you get them. It's a pretty long cable by this, a 1.2 meter long cable that ends with a gold-plated L-shaped 3.5mm aux jack, like so. I will test this particular speaker out. I will insert this 3.5mm jack in my smartphone, like so. There you go, it's in now, and I will listen to some music on it. One other thing I should mention, that this particular headset goes around your head. So this part, all of these wires will be should be behind your back, and the Sony logo should be facing outside. So let's try this again. Sounds pretty great actually. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Sony MDR-AS210AP Stereo Headphones. Thank you for watching.